we are going to discuss latest job openings in Warangal location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for CSSD technician position from Omega Bannu Hospitals. It is located in Warangal location, Telangana. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month, and it's a full-time job. And these are the benefits you will get for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7569374328. Next, there is a vacancy from NIT Warangal. They are hiring for the position of Junior Research Fellow. It is located in Warangal, Telangana. They are offering a salary for this job position is 31,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers can apply for this job position. Qualification will be BTech or BE, ME or MTech. Last date to apply for this position is 22 February 2021. Selection procedure. List of eligible candidates will be announced on the institute website and also intimated through email or phone. Shortlisted candidate will have to attend an interview on online or offline. So last date to apply for this position is 22nd February 2021 before 11:59 p.m. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about the job position. Next, from the same institute, they are hiring for the junior research fellow or project fellow positions located in Warangal location, Telangana. They are offering a salary for this position is 35,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is available. Freshers can also apply for this job position. And coming to education qualification, BSc, MSc, MPhil or PhD. Last day to apply for this job position is 14th February 2021. So selection procedure, shortlisted candidates will be called for online interview. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there are vacancies from Omega Bannu Hospitals. They are hiring for the position of mammography technician position located in Warangal location, Telangana. They are offering a salary for this job position is 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, and you should be responsible for detecting breast tissue abnormalities by completing mammographic imaging studies, presenting them for diagnosis. It's a full-time job. Please check with the responsibilities needed for this job position, and you'll get health insurance as benefit for this job position. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7569374328. Next, there is a vacancy for PET scan technician position from the hospital Omega Bannu Hospital located in Warangal location, Telangana. For this job position, 2 to 5 years of experience is needed. Salary is negotiable as per the experience. So it's a full-time job. Interested candidates, for further details, you can contact with the number, that is 7569374328. Next, there is a vacancy for mammogram technician position from the same hospital, Omega Bannu Hospital, located in Warangal location, Telangana. So for this job position, 2 to 5 years of experience is needed. The salary is negotiable as per the experience. It's a full-time job. For detailed information, you can contact with the number, that is 7569374328. Next, there are some job openings from Bomma Institute of Technology and Sciences. They are hiring for the positions of professors or associate professors or assistant professors in the department of CSE, Mechanical, Civil, ECE, EEE, MBA, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and English, and the pharmacy. In pharmacy, pharmaceutical analysis, chemistry, statistics, ecology, cognosy, pharmacy. So they are hiring for all these positions. Interested candidates, you can walk in interview on the um, on 9th February 2021 to 13th February 2021 in the college premises at 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you can attend for the interview on their college only. Salary as dependent on AICTE norms. So interested candidates, so you can for further details you can contact them with the given phone numbers. They have provided here their address details and phone numbers also. Next, there are some vacancies for cement industry professionals, CEO or vice president or general manager. So various applications are invited from suitable candidates for the positions of CEO, VP or GM for a cement plant located in Jaggalyalpet, Vijayawada with its administrative office in Chennai. So for all these job positions, education qualification will be any engineering graduate. More than 10 years of experience in cement industry is needed, so that candidates will be preferred for this job position, and age should be around 50 years. So please read with the all skills and the responsibilities needed for all these positions. Attractive compensation package will also be offered with the background of the candidate. So interested candidates, you may apply online by sending your CVs to the provided email ID, or else you can send your CVs or resumes to the provided address details within 10 days. Next, there are some job openings from Bajaj showroom. They needs accountant, system operator, receptionist positions. um, they have provided here the contact details, so interested candidates you can contact them with the given phone numbers. First one 7702611220, second phone number 9533691589. Next, there are some job openings for teachers for 1st to 10th classes. You need to teach all subjects, and also for attender positions, and also for Aya positions. So all these positions are available from Prakati High School, Autonagar Road, beside Sri Lakshmi Garden, Warangal. So they have provided here the contact number. Interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9949185624. Next, there are some job openings from Rohini College of Nursing. They are hiring for the positions of BSc nursing tutors and full-time wardens. So for these two positions, interested candidates, you can contact with the given two phone numbers. First one 9390100859, second one 7330976054. Next, there are some job openings for male receptionist, compounder, and lab technician and driver. For all these job positions, they have interested candidate. They have provided here the address details and the contact number. You can approach them with the given phone number and also with the address details. The phone number is 98480 Next, there are some job openings for lift boy, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. For a Balaji hospital. So they have provided here the address details. Please check with these ones. Interested candidates, so you can contact with the given phone numbers. Next, there are some job vacancies for a Hyderabad based company. They are looking for medical receptionist positions for the following areas, that is Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Warangal, Adilabad, Khammam and Medak. So they are looking for the medical representative for all these locations. For these job positions, minimum 5 years of experience in marketing field is necessary. Salary is negotiable. So interested candidates, for any additional information, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9494821818, and you can also send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job vacancy for frontline supervisors, women, and assistant technicians and PDI helpers. For all these job positions, qualification will be ITI or any diploma. These are from Sri 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 Hero Mugulu X Road, Warangal. So they need the persons for all these positions. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8886061770. Next, there are some job openings from Vartaman College of Engineering, Autonomous. So still date is last date is today guys, 9 February 2021. Before 12 you can apply for all these positions. They are looking for the positions of professors or associate professors or assistant professors, and in the respective areas like in computer science and engineering, information technology and CSE, in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and they are looking for all these positions. So for this qualification experience and pay scales are dependent on AICTE norms. Candidate with PhD degree will be preferred for these positions, and the last date to apply online is 9th February 2021. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID without any delay. Next, there are some job openings for VNR Vignana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, an autonomous institute, NAAC, accredited with A++ grade. So applications are invited for recruitment of for the following positions. So these are the positions available from this college. Please check with the all positions available here, and these are all the positions available from this college. So for all these positions, qualification and experience as per AICTE or UGC norms. Persons with industry experience are also preferred for all these positions. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID on before 11th February 2021. So please check with the all details provided here for all these positions, or else you can visit this website link, that is www.vnrvjiet.ac.in. Get more detailed information about all these positions. Next, there are some job vacancies from Narayana Educational Institutions. They are hiring for all these positions. Firstly, they are hiring for wardens or student in charges and floor in charges. It is for both males or females. For this job position, minimum degree in any area or BTech discontinued. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this job position. Next, there is a job vacancy for computer operator. It is also for males, for both males and females. Speed will be 50 to 60 WPM, or Excel or Word or PowerPoint or CorelDRAW or pacemaker. You should be having knowledge on all these. Next, there is a job vacancy for campus healthcare in charge. It is for both males and females. Qualification will be BSc nursing. Next, there is a vacancy for administrative officers. For this position, PG with any science or MBA graduates can apply for this job position. Next, there is a vacancy for academic counselors. For this, selection is based on test performance. So salary is a negotiable for all these positions. Interested candidates, so you can walk in from 2nd February onwards between 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Next, attend interview with all the relevant original documents, and you can also mail your biodata to Narayana mdp3331@gmail.com. So they have provided here the address details and contact numbers. Interested candidates, for any additional information you can approach them with the given phone numbers. Next, there are so many job openings from Guru Nanak institutions from Hyderabad, and these are the openings available from the institution. Firstly, there is a job opening for director. For this job position, candidates should be done PhD in engineering with proven track record as principal or director in autonomous institutions. Second one, there is a job opening for Dean R&D or Vice Principal or Controller of Examinations. For these positions, the candidate should be done PhD in engineering with proven track record. So third one, there is a vacancy for Deans or H4Ds for all these departments like civil, ECE, EEE, CSE, pharmacy, MBA and H&S. They need deans and H4Ds for all departments. Next one, there is a vacancy for associate professors and assistant professors in the department of civil, ECE, EEE, CSE and IT, mechanical, and for the subjects English, physics, chemistry, pharmacy and MBA. For all these subjects, they need assistant professors as well as associate professors. Next, there is a vacancy for architecture and planning, and for this they need professors or associate professors or assistant professors. So for these job positions, qualification will be dependent and should it is dependent on the COA notification dated 11th August 2020. Next, there is a vacancy for head international admissions. It is for Africa and Arab countries. So they are hiring for all these positions mentioned here. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, that is hr.rect@gniindia.org. So interested candidates, you can also visit this website link and get more detailed information about all these positions, and you may also contact with the given phone numbers. Next, there are some job openings from Pragati High School. They are hiring for the primary teachers, pre-primary teachers for maths, EVC, EVS and English and caretakers, and you should teach 1 to 10th classes for all subjects, and PET and attender and OS. So they are having openings for all these positions. So please check with the all positions available here. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9949185624. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location.